Want to get paid for your amazing designs on Redbubble? The first step is linking your bank account. This is how you'll receive your earnings from sales of your custom merchandise, like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Redbubble uses a commission model, so linking your bank ensures you get your cut from each sale, typically 20 to 30% of the product's price. You'll need to verify your identity with a government-issued ID and complete necessary tax forms to comply with financial regulations. This ensures compliance with financial regulations like anti-money laundering rules and FATCA for US-based sellers. Linking a bank account is a necessary step and the only way to receive payouts from Redbubble. To link your bank account, start by logging into your Redbubble dashboard and navigating to Settings, then Payouts. Next, verify your identity by uploading a photo of your government-issued ID and proof of address if required. Then, enter your bank details including account number, routing number for U.S. accounts, IBAN for international transfers, and SWIFT or BIC codes. Fill out the required tax forms like W-9 for U.S. residents or W-8BN for non-U.S. residents to handle tax withholding. Finally, Redbubble may send a small micro deposit to verify your account, which you need to confirm within 10 days. Remember that payouts are not instant and must meet a minimum threshold, usually $20. Also ensure your account is in good standing to avoid payout freezes.